So yeah, you don't have to be afraid of anything. Hello cat people, how are you today? I am Catlady Antigoni and today we are dyeing our hair. As you can see, I have no makeup on my face except a lipstick. I'm not planning to do any makeup because actually today I will dye my hair. Finally, like it's been more than a month. I missed the whole procedure. I think my hair missed the whole procedure as well. And actually the idea for today is to go totally with blue. And first of all, why blue? Why blue and not 2-3 colors like I'm always doing? Let me tell you, blue hair color, and at least this color that I'm using, the semi-permanent, this one by the way is from Directions, the Midnight Blue. It's the darkest shade of blue that they have. Is a quite strong color. I mean, it doesn't wash off. It might become lighter and lighter, but you still have blue. Like the only way to get rid of this blue is when you bleach your hair. And even if you bleach, you might end up like with a very light pastel blue like this one right here. Basically at some point I'm planning to do this color to my hair. It's so amazing. Not today, not today. Today I'm planning to cover instead. So here you might see that I have kind of blonder hair and then I have the pastel blue, and I kind of moved on from this phase, you know. I did this duochrome during Christmas because I would like to have silver hair back then. I did it. It was quite difficult to maintain, but I was very happy with the result. But now it's summer, so I feel that I want something new. That's why I'm going with blue today. So obviously the first reason that I'm choosing blue is because I want to cover everything here and I would like to have a cohesive result for all the parts of my hair. This is one, and the second reason is because blue gives me sea vibes, and summer is coming, summer is around the corner, and I'm in a mermaid-ish mood, sea mood. I would like to enjoy the sea. I have missed the sea so much, and that's why I'm going with blue, because I would like to feel the sea on my hair. If this makes sense to you, I don't know, this is my thought. I don't know how clear is this to you. Another thing that I would like to mention is that today's video is completely children friendly and I don't have to do any disclaimers. Yeah! Usually I start these videos by saying, hey, don't do this at home, you might burn your hair, you might do some bad things to your hair, but not today, because today actually I'm not planning to bleach because I have some dark hair here, but I feel that this will blend with blue color perfectly, so I don't feel that I would like to bleach my hair or my eyebrows, because my eyebrows nowadays are in the middle stage of being half blonde, half brown, so I feel that this lighter brown is the perfect to have with my new blue hair. So actually today's video is children friendly. You can replicate what you see here at your home because I'm planning to use semi-permanent hair color, and this is basically like you're using conditioner to your hair, so it makes zero damage, absolute zero damage. Keep this in mind, only the bleach is doing the damage. So yeah, you don't have to be afraid of anything. But if you're over 18 and you want to experiment a little bit more with your hair, I have some other videos. I have a playlist actually where I'm showing step by step how I'm bleaching my hair, what products I'm using, and the whole procedure. But if you don't know what I'm talking about, this means that you're probably new in this channel, so welcome! Hello, my name is Antigoni. I love colors, I love doing makeups, I love doing body paint, so please subscribe and then have a look to my other videos as well, because I'm doing some quite interesting stuff. And after all this said, if you're ready, let's start with the hair dyeing! Well, glasses are on, but before I start with anything, I'm gonna grab my body lotion. This is from Inecto, a brand that I do not really know. I only know that they are vegan and cruelty-free, and this is enough for me. And I'm gonna apply this cream here at the perimeter of my face in order to make sure that I will not end up blue, which is a very uncomfortable situation, especially when I'm going to my lessons, especially when I'm going to my Swedish lessons and the lessons that I am teaching and have to explain some awkward things, you know. Also, I will not forget to put gloves. Actually, I don't have any specific gloves that I prefer. These days I'm using these plastic gloves. They're very good, they're doing their job. So these are two basic steps before I start the procedure. After this, I will tell you. Okay, now that I have the cream wherever I want it to be, I'm grabbing my midnight blue and I'm starting! Oh my god, I'm so blue! Oh my god! I don't know, like maybe this time I wasn't as careful as all the other times because I only had to deal with one color, blue, and you see there is a huge mess on my face, around my neck area. Tomorrow I have to do a body paint. I don't know how possible is this with this situation right here. Anyway, so basically I'm gonna leave the color around 20 minutes and then I'm going to take a shower and hopefully, fingers crossed, I will be less blue after the shower. And while I'm waiting, let me tell you the Greek word of the day. So obviously today I decided to go with the word blue, and in Greek we say ble. It's quite easy, it's very close to the English. Say it with me. Ble, just one syllable, ble. As always, I'm gonna ask you to try to write a comment down below using the word ble, telling me the word ble in your own native language. In general, this time be colorful, be creative. Ta-da! And here we have the result. So tell me, what do you think? Do you like it? Do you like the blue on me? So for me, I feel so much myself. This is my favorite color. I feel that this fits my face perfectly. I love this color. I feel so happy with this color. So to be honest, when I first saw it, when my hair got dry, I was like, oh my god, this is way too dark. Oh my god, what have I done here? Because I have used to see myself with pink hair and very like pastel purple, even white at some point. So like, oh my god, this is too dark for my face. But then I saw it like 2-3 more times and say, yeah, this is my color, this is everything for me. Now I can feel myself again, you know, because no matter what color I'm gonna do to my hair, I like it. But with this, I feel so good. This is perfect. This is 10 out of 10. This is the color for me. But anyway, this was our video for today. I hope that you had fun, I hope that you enjoyed the whole procedure and I gave you some ideas for some more unique hair colors. Hope to see you on Instagram, hope to subscribe and see you on Tuesday for a face makeup like this one right here. Do you like this makeup? Anyway, that was it from me. Until next time, bye!